In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset WhatsApp encrypted backup password. If you use WhatsApp's end-to-end encrypted backups, your chats are protected with a password only you know. If you can't remember it, don't worry. There's a built-in way to reset it, as long as you can verify it's really you on your phone. Start by opening WhatsApp and heading into Settings. On iPhone, you'll see Settings at the bottom right. On Android, tap the three dots in the top right and choose Settings. From there, go into Chats, then open Chat Backup. This is where WhatsApp manages your cloud backups and any encryption options. Next, tap End-to-End Encrypted Backup. This section controls the extra layer of protection for your backup stored in the cloud. It's separate from your regular WhatsApp lock or your phone's screen lock, and it's the reason restoring chats on a new device requires that specific backup password. Here, choose either Change Password or Turn Off. Change Password lets you keep end-to-end encryption on and simply update the password you use to protect the backup. Turn Off disables encryption for backups. Some people use this temporarily if they're troubleshooting, but most will just change the password. Either option will first ask for your current password. When you're prompted for your current password, tap I forgot my password. This triggers WhatsApp's recovery flow. It won't delete your chats on your phone. Instead, after you confirm your identity, WhatsApp will let you set a new password and will protect future backups with it. Now verify your identity using your phone's biometrics or screen lock. This is whatever you already use to unlock your device. Face ID, Touch ID, your fingerprint, or your PIN or pattern. Make sure you use the same method you normally use to unlock the phone and complete that prompt. This step proves you're the rightful owner of the account on this device. Once verified, create and confirm a new password for your encrypted backup. Choose something strong and memorable. A longer passphrase is easier to remember and harder to guess than a short, complex jumble. Avoid personal details or anything you reuse elsewhere. Consider saving it in a secure password manager so you have it handy when restoring WhatsApp on a new phone. That's it. Your end-to-end encrypted backup is now tied to the new password, and your next backup will use this updated protection. If you ever need to restore your chats on a new device, this is the password you'll enter. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to keep that password safe so your conversations stay protected.